Before we start, imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast, open field. The sun is rising, and the path ahead is clear but winding. You're not alone. You're surrounded by people just like you, all taking their first steps towards something greater. Close your eyes for a second. Can you feel the excitement, the clarity, and the transformation that comes with each step forward? This moment isn't just exciting. It's the beginning of something meaningful, a step toward the deeper understanding and success you've been searching for. So, why does this matter? Because progress, not perfection, is the key to unlocking your potential. Imagine how focusing on small, consistent steps could change everything for you. It's not just about reaching a destination. It's about becoming the kind of person who embraces the journey, who learns, grows, and creates something extraordinary along the way. Think about how this mindset could empower your business, your life, or your future. This is your opportunity to unlock potential you didn't even know you had and build the confidence to make your dream a reality. So, what exactly is the best way to make this happen? First, you need to shift your mindset. Instead of chasing perfection, focus on progress. Think of this as the foundation for everything you'll build. Then, design a plan that allows you to take small, actionable steps every day. The key here is to approach this step by step. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. This is where your creativity comes into play. You're not just learning, you're building something enduring and meaningful. Here's how to make it happen. Start by setting a small, achievable goal. Then, take the first step, no matter how imperfect it feels. Trust yourself and don't be afraid to stumble. It's all part of the process. And always remember, this is about more than just reaching a goal. It's about transforming how you think, how you act, and how you create. The magic happens when you bring curiosity and persistence into play. Keep building momentum by celebrating your progress. The journey doesn't end here. It evolves into something even more extraordinary. The reason I'm telling you this is simple. Progress is the path to mastery. Once you understand that perfection is an illusion, you won't just achieve your goals. You'll gain the clarity, wisdom, and tools to sustain that success for years to come. Before we wrap up, let's reflect for a moment. Imagine what it would feel like to take that first step and see your progress unfold in your life, business, or goal. This isn't just a one-time win. It's the start of something transformative, a journey that you've created with your own hands and vision.